23वां सालाना कन्वेंशन नेशनल न्यूरोलॉजी फोरम का शहर हैदराबाद में हो रहा है। ये 3 रोजा कन्वेंशन HICC हैदराबाद में होगा, जिसमें बच्चों के डॉक्टर्स, स्पेशलिस्ट्स और नर्सेस हिस्सा लेंगे।
Very good afternoon to the representatives of media. We have honored our invitation to be here for the press meet today afternoon. On behalf of the organizing committee of this NeoCon 2013, I extend a warm welcome to all of you and thank you for your nice question. The 33rd annual convention of National Neonatology Forum is being held in Hyderabad. The venue being Hyderabad International Convention Center from 13th to 15th of December 2013. The National Neonatology Forum consists of 5,000 members throughout the country who are involved in newborn care in different fields, and it has got its state and city branches throughout the country. Every year, the National Neonatology Forum conducts its annual conventions in different cities across the country. And this year, what we are going to conduct is the 33rd annual convention of the National Neonatology Forum. And National Neonatology Forum is a professional body which is involved in newborn care, advising the government in conducting different training programs, and in advising the government in formulating policies to improve newborn care in India throughout. This year, this convention is being attended by 1,500 doctors across the country, and we are going to have 250 reputed speakers from different parts of the country, experts in the different fields in neonatology. And apart from them, we are also going to have 30 international speakers of repute who are experts in neonatal care. I just give you the summary of the program. On 12th December, that is tomorrow, there will be hands-on workshops for 40 to 50 doctors in each group at 14 different locations, different hospitals in the city. On 13th, there is going to be a CME program, that is Continuing Medical Education Program, concurrently in 4 halls in Hyderabad International Convention Center. On the same day, that is 13th December at 7 p.m., we are going to have the inaugural ceremony of this convention. The chief guest who is gracing this occasion will be Sri Keshav Desharaju, Secretary, Medical and Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. And on 14th and 15th, also the conference will be there. And 15th, 5:45 is the valedictory ceremony for this national conference. The slogan of the conference is "Newborn survival is key to nation's progress," meaning that improving newborn health and thereby improving the child survival and child health is going to contribute to the nation's growth and prosperity. As you know, a newborn baby is going to be the child, and tomorrow's child is going to be a citizen of this country, and all the citizens of the country are the actual true human resource potential, which is important for the growth and prosperity of this country. At the same time, I would like to inform all of you that newborn care area, that means newborn intensive care areas, are cost intensive areas. That means taking care of a newborn in NICUs, newborn intensive care units, especially in the private sector, is a is a costly proposition, and this country